Okay, we've covered the what, why, and how of the test content and scoring. Now we need to talk about the where. You have a choice of where you take the TOEFL IBT, and while the content of the test is identical, the experience is very, very different. We call this choosing your battlefield, because under the new 2026 protocols, the environment you choose can actually determine your victory. First, we need to look at the landscape. This is a shorter war. The legacy TOEFL was a 3-hour marathon. The new 2026 adaptive TOEFL is a sprint, only 67 to 85 minutes. This changes the endurance factor. Controlling your home environment, keeping the dog quiet, keeping the internet stable is much easier for 80 minutes than it is for 3 hours. This makes the home edition a much more viable option for many of you than it used to be. Your first option is the traditional test center. The biggest advantage here is control and reliability. You walk in, and everything is provided. Tech is guaranteed. You don't have to worry about your internet failing. You also get access to the gold standard of note-taking, actual paper and a pencil. It is a proctored vacuum designed for focus. The downsides? You have to commute, and you are in a shared space. When the speaking section starts, you will hear other people talking. Your second option is the home edition. The advantage is obvious. Maximum comfort in your own chair with 24/7 scheduling flexibility. But with convenience comes high responsibility. You are your own IT manager. If your Wi-Fi fails, you bear the risk. And the monitoring is intense. You will have to perform a 360-degree room scan, and AI plus human proctors will watch your every move. I need to stop and emphasize the single most important rule for the home edition, because breaking it will get your score canceled. Note-taking. You are not allowed to use regular paper and a pencil. You must use a small desktop whiteboard or a transparent sheet protector. Tactical tip: buy fine tip markers. Thick markers make doing math or writing details on a small board a nightmare. And remember, you are required to erase all notes in front of the camera before the test ends for security. Now let's talk about the adaptive pressure cooker. Remember, the new test is adaptive. Your performance in Stage 1 determines if you reach the harder Stage 2 feat and unlock high scores, or if you get capped. This means intensity is now more important than endurance. At a test center, a neighbor talking might break your focus during a hard module. At home, a dog barking could do the same. In a short, high-intensity test, you cannot afford a single minute of distraction. If you choose home, you need to run this checklist. Equipment: desktop or laptop only. No tablets. Audio: check your microphone and speakers. Environment: a private room with a clear tabletop. Seating: standard chair only, no sitting on the bed. And be ready for verification. Expect an AI-assisted identity check, followed by a live human proctor check. Let's look at the tactical advantage by section. Who wins where? For writing, the home edition is the winner. Your own mechanical keyboard is generally faster and more accurate than a test center membrane keyboard. For speaking, the home edition also wins. Speaking aloud is less awkward in privacy than in a shared room. However, for reading and listening, the test center is the winner. Why? Because scratching out logic maps on official paper is superior to messy whiteboards. A quick reassurance on validity. Universities view these options as identical. There is scoring parity. Both use the 1 to 6 band scale, both report scores in 72 hours, and both offer the dual reporting for the next 2 years. Do not worry about one being worth less than the other. So how do you choose? Choose the test center if your Wi-Fi is shaky, you have tech anxiety, or you absolutely rely on paper notes. Choose the home edition if you have a private secure room, you type faster on your own keyboard, and you are comfortable wiping notes constantly. To recap, the content is identical, but the trade-off is security versus comfort. The new shorter duration favors the home edition, but it demands high focus. Pick the battlefield where you feel most in control.